Oh my goodness. Mouth watering. Are you hungry? Want to know the secret to my tasty stew peas with pigtail? Come take a walk over to my kitchen and see what I am doing. This is about a kilo of pigtail that is soaking. You want to soak your pigtail for about 3 to 4 hours or more. During this time, I change the water about 3 times. You want to do this to make sure you get as much salt out of the pigtail before you put it to boil. Here also I have my kidney bean that has been soaking for overnight. Here I add it on the stove with about 6 cups of water, and we are going to allow this to boil shortly before we add the pigtail in. You will need to boil your pigtail separate. You may need to boil your pigtail about 3 times, during each time about 25 to 30 minutes to get as much salt out of your pigtail. Pigtail is really salt and we don't want to have a salty stew peas. So guys, the first water that you boil your pigtail in, do not throw it away. You are going to set it aside. I'm going to explain to you why later. Our pigtails is done and our beans is partially cooked, so we are going to combine both ingredients together and we are going to continue with the process of our stew peas. The first secret to our tasty stew peas is the first boiling water that we set aside from the pigtail. This water is rich in flavor. So we are going to use this water to finish the cooking process of our stew peas. My other secret is to well season your stew peas. First, I add some cloves. That's about 16 cloves. Here I'm adding 6 bay leaves. Then I'm going to add 1 teaspoon of dry thyme. Actually, I add 2. Later on, I add a next one. So total thyme, 2 teaspoons. Here I'm adding a pepper. Because I want some spice, I will split the pepper to release some heat. And there I'm adding 1 tablespoon of crushed allspice, pimento. There I'm adding about 3 nice pieces of green onion or chives. That's a medium-sized onion. That's 4 crushed garlics. A big shout out to all my subscribers. Thank you so much for your support. If you have not yet subscribed to my channel and you are enjoying this video, please go ahead and do so. Thank you. We're going to allow this to come to a boil before we continue adding the rest of our ingredients. So right here, my son is helping me out by adding some spinners. This is dumpling. We call it spinners because you just roll it in the palm of your hand and drop it in your stew. Boy, I tell you, it got some people out there. If spinners not in them stew peas, them nah go enjoy it. So people, this stew peas is made specially for you guys, okay? I think it's also a sign that the stew peas was definitely made by a Jamaican. So people, if you don't agree with me, drop a comment below and let me know, okay? If you don't like pig's tail, this stew can be done with any other salted meat. Wow, my mouth a run water and the pot not done yet. Phone a run water too? Oh my goodness. Okay guys, let's go continue to flavor up our stew peas. So this is my favorite part of the stew peas, the adding of the coconut milk. Ooh, This stew piece is so tasty. Talk about tasty. So we will allow this to cook for the next 5 minutes and our stew peas is ready. I know you guys are waiting like myself here. So guys, thank you so much for watching this video. Don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe if you have not as yet. And also go ahead and try this recipe out and drop a comment below and let me know how did yours came out. Bye.